Where is my homework notebook?
Your homework notebook? It should be in your school bag.
No, Mom, it is not here.
Did you check properly?
Yes, I checked everything.
Where did you do your homework yesterday?
I did it in the living room.
Did you put it back in your bag?
I think I forgot.
Oh, Leo.
Mom, what will my teacher say?
What happened here?
Leo forgot his homework notebook.
Oh no, Leo.
Dad, my teacher will be angry.
Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I completed it.
That is good.
But I don't know where I kept my homework.
Next time, always put your homework in your bag at night. Leo, don't worry. Let us look for your notebook.
Yes, we will check the living room first.
I think I did my homework here yesterday.
Is it on the table?
No, Mom, no, I cannot see it.
I am looking under the sofa.
Check behind the chair.
No, it is not here.
Maybe it is under the cushion.
No, I cannot see it.
Let me check behind the door.
I will check near the carpet. It is not under the carpet.
Let us check your bedroom now.
Is it on the study table?
No, Mom, no.
I am opening the drawer.
Check inside the cupboard.
It is not inside the cupboard.
Maybe it is under the bed.
No, Mom, no.
Look inside your school bag again.
No, it is not here.
Did you leave it in the living room?
Oh no, I forgot to put it in my bag. I am scared to go to school today
Why are you scared?
because my teacher will ask for homework.
You should tell the truth.
Will she understand?
Yes, teachers understand honest students.
Really?
Yes, just say politely what happened.
Okay, I will try.
Do not worry too much.
I feel nervous.
That is normal.
What should I say to my teacher?
Say, I did my homework, but I forgot my notebook at home.
Okay,
And say sorry.
yes, Mom.
And promise you will not forget again.
I promise.
Good morning, students. Please show me your homework.
Ma'am,
Yes, Leo.
I did my homework, but I forgot my notebook at home.
You forgot it at home.
Yes, ma'am. I am sorry.
Did you really complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Leo, bring it tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
But next time, be careful.
Yes, ma'am. I will be careful. Mom! Mom!
How was school today?
My teacher was not angry.
That is good.
She told me to bring it tomorrow.
See? Honesty always helps.
Yes, Dad. Mom, I brought my homework notebook for today.
Good, Leo.
Now let us find yesterday's notebook.
Yes, Dad. I want to find it.
Let us check the living room again.
Look near your toys.
Maybe it is in my toy box.
Wait, what is this?
Mom, that is my notebook.
It was inside the toy box.
Oh no, I put it here yesterday.
You were playing after homework.
Yes, I forgot to keep it in my bag.
Leo, come here for a moment.
Yes, Mom?
Today you forgot your homework.
Yes, Mom. I am sorry
Do you know why this happened?
because I did not keep my notebook in my bag.
That's right. From today, you should prepare your school bag at night.
At night?
Yes, before sleeping.
This will save time in the morning.
Then you will not rush before school.
That is a good idea.
You should keep your books ready.
Keep your homework inside your bag.
Fill your water bottle at night.
Oh, I forgot my water bottle today too.
Yes, you remembered only after reaching school.
I was very thirsty in class.
That is why preparation is important.
If you prepare at night, your morning will be easy.
I understand now.
So what will you do tonight?
I will pack my school bag before sleeping.
Very good.
And your water bottle?
I will keep it ready too.
Excellent habit, Leo.
Tomorrow, I will reach school on time.
Leo, what did you learn today?
I should keep my homework in my school bag.
Very good.
And when should you prepare your school bag?
Before sleeping at night.
Correct.
Then you will not rush in the morning.
Yes, Dad.
And you will not forget your water bottle.
Yes, Mom.
Good habits make your day easy.
I understand now.
We are proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Tomorrow will be a better day.
Max, I will never forget my homework again.
That's our smart boy. We are proud of you.